There once lived a group of monkeys on a huge tree. One chilly winter evening, the monkeys were sitting under a tree. "Brr, it is so cold," one of the monkeys cried. In a couple of minutes, a monkey noticed a glowworm going past. It was actually a firefly. He thought that it was a spark of fire. All of them were convinced that it was a spark of fire. And so, they decided to put a firefly under a pile of leaves. One of them said, "We will soon have a big blazing fire to keep ourselves warm." They gathered the dry leaves and put the firefly in between them. Then they started huffing the firefly so that the leaves could catch fire. As they were huffing, a bird passed by. She said, "You are making a mistake, dear friends. That's a firefly you have caught, not a spark of fire. We should ignore her. Let us focus on blowing on the leaves. They will catch fire faster than that way," said one of the monkeys. The bird again advised them, "Listen, you are wasting your time and energy. You can't set anything alight with a firefly. Stop pestering us, you stupid creature. Don't try to teach us how to light a fire," shouted the monkeys. The oldest monkey caught the bird and threw the bird into a huge tree. Poor bird died on the spot. "Come on, brothers. Let us get back to the task," cried the oldest monkey. They started huffing again, but the fire never lit from the firefly. It was useless to tell them, as they did not want to listen to anybody. Moral: don't try to teach those who cannot be taught.